60 seconds.
What's your Skroove? Alright, where are we going? Going to Krispy Kreme to get some donuts, some breakfast, some donuts, some coffee. Lights on. We had a little insider trading action going on. Our buddy Brian Long informed us about the light being on. He said if the light's on, it's gonna be a hot, fresh donut. Nice hat. Other than glazed sour cream cake. They pulled this glaze fresh off the conveyor belt for us. First hot Krispy Kreme ever. Here we go. Oh my! What do you think? Hey. Oh my gosh, delicious. You will get some more coffee. Switching hotels now. Actually, I want the light in our face. Switching hotels now, heading over to the other side of Broadway at the beach where we're staying for the next 6 nights, 7 days. Here we go.
Just drinking some coffee. Oh wait. Contraband cigars. No smoking allowed. Don't tell
I think he's
anyone.
referring to this
Don't tell Mom.
no smoking patio, which he smoked on. All right, let's go. We were supposed to check out 8 minutes ago. We're gonna get some lunch, Denny's. I'm an electric Denny's guy.
We're never closed. We're open 24/7.
And another reason why I love Denny's. Always open, consistency. The only thing that IHOP has on Denny's is when they serve you, they give you an entire vat of coffee at your table. They don't do that here, but still, I love Denny's.
They made it or without you. I'll do a Santa Fe skillet, eggs over easy, water, and coffee.
I expected this to be.
It's like a little guillotine. I wonder if Zach and Cody and Mr. Mosby will be here. Use a tish. Watch this, ready? Go to the gym, gonna get a quick workout in, then continue with the day. Successful workout. Now, getting my outfit for tonight. The boys in blue, the University of Michigan, is playing in the national championship. So, I brought my maize and blue Skroove shirt, maize and blue Skroove hat.
I am Harvey, a computer.
Tide, do you have the key? So last night when we were at Riptide, we asked the local, where do we want to go to watch a Michigan game? We want a dive bar, and he recommended
Little place called Bumstead.
a little place called Bumstead. So we're gonna go there. He said
belly up.
Go belly up at Bumstead. He said it shouldn't be too busy, so we're on our way there now. Here we go. halftime, we're down by 9. Time to get some darts in, pass the time. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. 301 champion.